So good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on our odd Wednesday. So if you are yet to subscribe, please you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, all you just need to do now is click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Once again, subscribe and click on the bell notification. Now, in order for us to be able to predict what markets will do for us this week, we need to go to our weekly time frame and see what the trend is actually seeing on our weekly. So, what can you see, right? The trend. It is very clear that this is an uptrend. So, these are the three movement market tends to give us: either an uptrend move, or a downtrend move, or market is literally ranging. So with this movement here, it is very clear that market is in an uptrend move. So we had this high, here comes the higher low, then this is our higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market pushed up once more and form a new higher high, and here is the higher low, right? This is the higher low that market has formed for the week. So this week that we are predicting for on all US dollar, we will be expecting it to actually give us a bullish move that will form a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we will be anticipating for week on odd US dollar. So we should be expecting that bullish move to play out till it is able to take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high for us on the odd US dollar for the week. Now let's go down to our daily time frame. So this is our daily time frame. This is a massive movement upward, and then it's exhausted, right? It gave us another pull up, push up, and it's exhausted, thereby forming an equal higher low right here. It formed an equal higher low. Market eventually pushed up again, thereby taking out this previous high. And here is our pullback phase. Now that this is our pullback phase, our next movement on odd US dollar is another bullish move that should be out since is able to take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high for us on odd US dollar. So guys, this week we will be anticipating for a bullish move on our odd US dollar. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So you can clearly see that on this forward time frame, there have been a multiple rejection from this zone, right? So this is also a key level whereby we can be expecting a reaction. Okay? So we had this reaction here, rejection here. Market was able to pull back. Market was able to pull back right here, right back, and it gave us what? A reaction also. It also gave us a rejection here, right? Market pushed up and came back again, and we had a rejection. Usually you can see as a false breakout. This was the first breakout rejection that pushed up. Now market has come back to retest it again. So now the market has given us a pullback to retest this our support level. Our next movement on odd US dollar is another bullish move. So we should be expecting that bullish move for it to come to tap this resistance level first. So that means we should be expecting a bullish move to a level 0.67200. So we should be anticipating for a level of 0.67200. So once market taps that level, I'll make sure I let you guys to know what next we should be expecting on our odd US dollar.